Hello viewers, this is part 3 of my Mainstays 9-inch high velocity fan cleaning and servicing procedure. In this video here we're gonna do one quick final wipe and then reassemble the fan now that it's successfully been serviced and cleaned. Do a quick wipe off of the blade. Okay, so now we got that part taken care of, we're going to go ahead and reassemble the fan. So I've got the guard right here, and we're going to start off by putting in the first screw. Just going to go on the top of the guard right here. So get that started there. And we're going to... Alright. Pause you guys for a sec here. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just had to find my impact driver. So anyway guys, we're gonna reassemble the fan here and do a final test now that it's been cleaned and serviced. Go ahead and insert our screws here. Get them started. Alright guys, something's not right here. I suspect we got a leak. It is super... Oh crap guys, look at this. Alright, you guys see what's going on right there. We got a pipe leaking. So guys, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to call my plumber. And got to get that pipe fixed guys. So you can see we got the washer running. And this is what's happening. Check that out, guys. So, sorry we had to interrupt the reassembly of the fan for a minute. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on here. This happens when it gets real cold down here. Because, so guys, even this is not enough for, to get a sufficient amount of heat. So... I'm eventually going to have that in, even if I can just get a small window heat pump, and I'll just put it in the window over there. But anyway, guys, that's what's happening. You guys can see right there, pipe is leaking. Got puddling right there, and you got suds in it, which means it's the washer that's running. It's not good, guys. So in the meantime, I'm going to go up and shut the washer off for now. Until we can get, at least I'll just go let my mother know we got something going on. So I'm going to pause you guys for just a minute. Alright, guys. We let my mom know. And they stopped the washer. So that worked out really well. So let's go ahead and get back to reassembly, guys. Sorry about that. Alright. So you guys can see the fan. Gonna go ahead and grab our other screws here, and we're gonna go ahead and put them in. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get that driven in. Oh. Alright guys, give me just a sec here. Get that screw in. Get it started. Alright guys, sorry for the freak show here. Screw's deciding to give me a hard time. Alright, there we go. Alright, something's not right. Alright guys, guessing I got a bit of a small problem there. We'll get the other one in there for now, and I'll see if I can investigate that one, find out what's going on. Alright guys, so my mom's on the phone with the plumber right now. Okay, so that one went in like a charm. I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse this one a little bit and try to redrive it, hopefully. Alright, well guys, I guess that's best that we're going to be able to get. Alright guys, well now we're going to go ahead and do the final test to prove for sure whether or not this was successful. So we're going to reset the fan like this. I'm going to grab my paper towel roll for the final test. Alright, let's see if I can find it. Alright guys, well, right in. Oh guys, right behind the weather wheel. Okay. Alright, so guys, see I got my paper towel roll right here. I'm going to go ahead and do a final test on the fan. Let it build up speed. I'm going to pause you guys till it builds up speed. Alright, built up some speed, so it's good enough for the test. Actually, not much. It's freezing down here. It's below 30. Anyway, here we go, guys. Alright, so you guys can see it's definitely moving a lot of air. It's definitely moving a lot. And that's on high speeds. So that's really, really good. Down to medium here. Let's listen to the sound. Alright, now we're on medium here. As you guys can see, that's still moving a lot of air. This is an extremely powerful fan. And this is much thicker material than toilet paper, because a lot of times if I have an old roll, I was down to the last sheet, I'll save it, or last round of sheets. I will save it and we'll use it in fan videos for when we do the wind test, how much air a fan can move. So let's go to low. Alright. Look at that, guys. That's moving a decent, and this is a paper towel. It's not a standard toilet paper a lot of people use in their fan videos to show how much air their fan is moving. I'm using a paper towel, so it's much thicker. Anyway, guys, it's incredible. Alright. Alright. Well, it's definitely moving a lot more air than it did before. I'm very impressed with this fan, by the way. I was expecting it to fail prematurely, but no, with me keeping it clean and servicing it monthly, it's doing really well. So anyway, guys, that is my Mainstays 9-inch high velocity fan, cleaned and serviced, ready to go back upstairs. Let's put it to work.